Before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hey! Today we're unboxing this ice maker machine from Free Village.
Let's get it open.
This ice machine works so well. It's on right now, and as you can hear, it makes very little noise.
We can take this down to our game room, our mom and dad's bar, or my dad's man cave.
Anywhere it's needed to have fresh ice within minutes.
It makes ice so quickly too, more than twice as fast as your average ice maker, and it makes so many pieces in only 10 minutes.
I love the bullet-shaped ice. It doesn't melt as fast and doesn't stick together. It also cools your drink for hours.
But here's the best part, it has a self-cleaning feature.
You just set it on cleaning mode, turn it on, and let it drain over your sink, and it'll do all the work on its own.
We absolutely love this. This is a top-of-the-line gift for anyone.
Get yours today.
Before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.